minute, please. Let's see. I know very much that these guys have doubts. So what's up? Get prepared now. Huh? Yeah. So yeah, hello everyone. Voila, today marks like the last day of our 2 weeks training, and like I said earlier, today we are going to be designing something, which is we're going to be designing the Apple website with WordPress, and we're going to be using we're going to be using Elementor. Like I said earlier, I sent the link of videos. Most especially, I sent the link of the video on how you could use Elementor Flexbox to run designs on WordPress. So yeah, so let's begin our class. Let me share my screen. This guy is not with us, so you can download the resources. Let me log in. You can as well log in. I mean, you're logged in. Oh, okay. Hope this rubbish is not happening again. Where my example is misbehaving. Oh, good. Nice one. So yeah, from the first class we spoke about the first class we spoke about WordPress. We spoke about domain name, picking up the right domain. First, which is all about checking if a domain has been picked by somewhere and somebody else. We spoke about installation of WordPress in our local server, and we also spoke about pages. We also spoke about posts. We also spoke about media. We also spoke about comments. We spoke about theme. And we spoke about theme demos. We spoke about WordPress setting. But today, which marks the end of our training, which we said earlier that we are going to be doing a project designing an Apple website, designing a website, more like let's say cloning of the Apple website with WordPress. So yeah, first of all, what we need to do is our we need to install the plugin, which is the paid builder plugin, which we which we will be using to perform this exercise on the website. So for me, I have already installed the Elementor plugin. As you can see, the Elementor plugin is already installed. Have you installed the Elementor plugin? Hmm? Just go over to you know how to add plugin now. Hmm? Like add a new plugin. Click on add a new plugin. It's in the last class. It's because you miss our class for digital marketing. I mean, Because today is going to be a lot of brain work. But you have gone through the video. Okay, and you have practiced maybe a little. Hmm? Okay, let's just go like that. It's not something hard. It's very simple. What's that? Yeah. Yes, click on each elemental. Let's even review our website self. It's extra. It's extra thing. Like this. Okay, okay, you didn't actually okay, you didn't come to the last class. The last class we spoke about how you could import the demo theme, which we did, and we imported this wonderful looking website. We spoke about the Word default block and WordPress default block builder, more like I said earlier now in the other class, like before you actually go to install a team, you need to go and make research about the team, read about the team, um, what builder is actually compatible with it. Because if you don't go and actually study about the team, let's say you see a good looking website, you go, you import the demo and really import the demo. If it doesn't collide with your default web builder, you might need to go and learn how to use the other web builder because there are a lot of web builder. There's WP Bakery, there's a lot of builders there. But the best so far in the market, which I use and some people are also recommending everybody to use, is Elementor because Elementor is like a vast Elementor has a vast community. Even so many developers actually work on add-ons and the rest. So you need to go and check if it's compatible. First of all, the thing is like this by default. Let's go to the Astra website. By default, Astra. Let's click on. See, this is the Astra website. This is the Astra team. Now, as you can see over here, we got the Elementor page builder, we got the Viewer page builder, we got WooCommerce, we got Lend, we got. So now this is our page builder. You understand? You need to check what's compatible with this thing. So the moment you see that, and some theme actually by default, they there are widgets. Some team actually by default their widget is being attached to a page builder. So what you just need to do if you have mastered the Elementor team, what you just need to do is to just you import it and you just edit the page with Elementor, and then voila, you are good to go. Everything will just be on the Elementor. You understand? You just need to edit, add whatever you want to add, delete whatever you want to delete, and the rest. So, but today, because we are not going to be going backward, we're going to be going forward today. So we are just, like I said earlier, we're going to do, um, we're going to be designing these sites, the Apple websites, which is this. It's good looking. Makes sense. We're not going to be designing this because it's going to take our time and energy. When we come for the advanced, when you guys come for the advanced class, then I'll teach you how to do something like this. You could use a widget too, the mental widget, but it's going to be stressful. But we have other simpler method, other simpler way to do something like this. Even okay, this is okay. We're not going to be designing this. Just design only this. This. We're not going to be designing the header. I mean, we should design the header. No, it's not difficult now. We're looking at the time. No need. But we could, okay. The Elementor Pro, it's the one that gives us that future to have our own custom header. Let me go check. Let me check on templates, save templates. We design a header here. Let me see whether they will use that functionality to design a header. So let me share a link to somebody. Well, you can't design this because it today. So we are actually going to have something, a project display where you're going to showcase. I would like you to fully indulge in it. So let me share this. Let me beg my sorry. Okay. Don't mind those guys. So we are back. I've been trying to. What's wrong with this network? Jesus Christ. My phone. Again, me myself, I've not even done this. We're going to crack our head together, and like that's how element when you are running a design, most especially when you just see could achieve it. Even let me don't see one of the most common. Even still, that even if you can achieve a design, if you are, let's say you have an idea on code, writing codes, and do some kind of writing code to add some special functions you want, because Elementor also have a part where you could, install your own custom codes on it. Big tax. Using WordPress doesn't mean you can be a programmer and at the same time use widgets are being written by programmers. That's advanced level. So yeah, so let's go create our page. You can follow me on doing it. Copy this to my desktop. Have you extracted this thing? You know, let me see whether the element gives us the ability to add. How this thing because it's elemental free. You can actually and I didn't even look at random fonts now. Yeah. Use any let's just use any random font. So let's create a page for our All my knows is this thing. This is the imported. So the thing is, when you import a demo thing. It imports both with the pages, a fully built and the rest. So what you just move and the rest. So let me delete more design again. Hmm? You can add fonts. Hold on. This about us. This is the demo team. Yeah. No, this is what we do. Yeah. Add page now. The page is our. Let's add page together. Let's name it Apple. The sheet first of all. Now, let me show you something about. Have you installed Classical Editor? Your page look different. In panel and install Classical Editor. It makes your page look very smart and easy because basically you are not using the WordPress default blog builder. You're going to use. There's no need to load the whole website like that. Really big. I don't like it when you're using your element editor. It makes your page when you click on edit the page. Is it not sorry, so that is one of the install WordPress system site. I don't use that one. Use element tool, so there's no need to look very no bogus. Hello. So yeah, we have a new create a page. So what do you name your page? Because me, I name mine the same. So um, now let me show you. Like I said, this is parent where you could arrange the page, and this is templates. Now this template function. Now we have the the elemental canvas, we have the elemental full width, and we have the theme template. Now, if you see here, is the header of the site where we have the everything, we have the women, we have the card listing and the profile. Then in the this is our footer. Now, when I edit this page, because Astra team, when I edit this page and make it, which is the default template, means that this header and the footer will show. If I use the elemental canvas, it's going to be blank, like blank. There's not going to be header. If I use the elemental full width, if I click on this elemental full width, what it does is that it's going to just what you can create your own header and footer with elemental, and it gets stick. By default, the theme comes with that footer. What you just need to do is to edit it. Now, let's say you don't like the limitations which the theme header have, because you stick by the principle of you don't you can't start custom widgets on the header. You want to make your header look very fancy, and the theme doesn't have that. Then you can design your own header and footer with Elementor. The Elementor Pro custom pop-up. If you want a custom pop-up on the, you just open the website account, all those stuff like that. But that's going to be in our advanced class. We are going to install Elementor tool, like we'll go on one by one on all the features. This which shows the default, it's going to take out this header and future, header and footer. You're not going to see what is going to show you is the header and footer being designed by Elementor. But exercise like that so that you see it. Now, if it's not going to show the footer, it's just going to be blank. Elementor. That's it. So canvas, because we want it to be blank. We are not using Elementor Pro, even I've done this header design. It's not confidential. I don't know what's simple because you guys are big the canvas. This is by default extra set team or this thing. You go and do your own. So yeah, your image, which is when you copy this link and send it to somebody, what image do you want the person to show you? Okay, we already spoke about it in our last. If I copy any random Apple logo, if it's Apple, it's the future. After we have added the page, what we're going to see is the Elementor. So let's just click it. Let's give it time to load. We posted this thing online, so local host and it's working with system configuration. So the elemental page builder, you could see like by default is the page layout. I think I set to canvas. I mean, it's not going to show the header. It's not going to show the footer. It's, the guy is everywhere. So yeah, let's start a design. Let's start the design because we're going to be doing a lot of brain work. Let's start the design. I thought this guy is joining us. So hello. So the Apple website. I'm happy you're joining us online. So first of all, we need to add a now we have the let me we have the direct column. So now what this does is it stack any container I'm putting in. I put this container inside here. As you can see, container together. And change the settings from the container to container horizontal, container horizontally. And in here, in our here is so let's just do it like this. Box. Let's just do it like this. And it's so let's add another. Hmm? And when you're following me, you're gonna pick up another container. And let's now before I responsive mode. In the responsive mode, we have oh, text. We have what we call now. It defaults, which is the pixels. They have 1080. Sometimes somewhere at just need to do is to try because me personally, I want my desktop view to be 1080. What you just need to do is to just go and adjust this. It makes your design on different. See, as you can see, I 1880 pixels. Design you do, you make sure you update it. So, so instead of you trying to sniff through these container box containers, I added first container layer, I added another site. What I need to do is now Okay, let me just do it, you guys. Let me delete all the container inside because it's not doing any complex thing here. So we have the. So what I need to do is to have you drag. Then let's copy this. We need to type it to phone 15. Now, make you see this is you see this arrow that if I add another widget aligned together, it's not going to go horizontal. It's so since sorry, is inside the container. So as you could see, this is in an alignment is more like uh, widgets to be in the alignment left. We have the center on the left, but if we click on the center, the text to in the center and black. Let's make it black. Then we'll click here, color to white. Mm, Um, I'm going to send a video. Somebody said network. What's going to happen is if the network is bad, for you to actually the first I sent to watch. So the video. I don't think this is going to be hard. So let's do that. Okay. For the iPhone 15. So let's update. Pro. Now the thing is, they said titanium so strong. So yeah, let's add another listing. So duplicate it. And yeah, it's now this is the top end level of the font. If we went to because what I'm saying is that the elemental because it's true that it's allowed down font. Just use any run. Basically, you are using the robot tool. So This text is not able to the typography size. Let's increase or reduce the size. Let's see that be less. So let's say we want it with let let's just read. As you would see, the width is same as this wood. That's what makes it look light, and that's what as you could see, it's now light. Let's put it at normal or medium. Let's take okay. Use these fonts. So I'll just copy like pro. Let's leave we need to add a button. Okay. Add a button. Place we when setting up our content, there's a tweak we can do to make it horizontally in line. Just the because we have two buttons here. If we say we want to add another button, say we want to add another button now. So I use it. It's gonna go downward. It to go downward. What we want it to do is the thing is we have already set this. So there's we click on the edit the button, we go here, we set the width to be either custom, then we adjust it. It's no longer full. Set any, let's set it to custom. A method not done the design, we are cracking our heads together. Let's go through another way. Let's add another container down the down of it. Let's change the color. And let's make it horizontal. Let's make it high. Add voila. As you can see, So what we need to do is click on edit container. Now you then you set it to be center. I should use this other one to read our Apple site. And says learn more. Over here, let's click on let's try to learn more. Let me look for you could change you could use any random this thing. It's not must we're gonna use their button. Or let's use yeah it looks it's so let's just we are building our Apple site. No, we are creating. Apple don't be considered. If you have any issue, tell me so that because so yeah. So now the thing is more like this. So there's what we call now the radio is so we want it looks sorry, we want the button to increase the radius of the button. Now as you could see now that the button yeah by this is back. Let's add the text to by. Let's make it 100. Sorry, it's not white, it's black. A border. We got as you can see. This to me. The size of the text. Typography. You click on it. We have types of size. We have the in this video we're going to be sticking so that's right. No, I've seen it. Okay, I've seen it. So gradually, our site is already. So yeah, forward container. Container. Of the container. And the next is we need to add this image. To add this image shape already. So the next we need to do is we need to add some things if I even doing on it. When I do try look and the thing work. So nobody will bring mistake. So in here is this image here, which I sent. What we need to do here, we click in our system. See, so what we need to increase, which so let's increase it. The image they use for the tablet is different they use on the desktop. Let's use this. This is large. Oh. This was the first time I uploaded now. Let's add space to it. Let's change this to custom. So another method is we can just crop the image because it's not giving us what we want here. Like this. You can see our side. Hmm? So thank you as the background of the container. So I hope you are doing it, building it together. Eh? See, there's a space downward here. Is to just get to add black. We could just let me press the button. Now, as you can see now, but the margin, let's put 50. Now, you're not seeing it under here. You see it because it doesn't move. So let's say this is black and you add a margin and you want to make what you just need to do is this flex box. This piece, I added him. I don't like this background on the container. It's not giving me. I don't like the background on the container. Thing is, we can still solve this problem. So that's why it's not here. But if you add it load, let's reduce the size of the image. Yes. And yeah, let's reduce the size of. Voila. Let's just use this one. Crop the image self and just leave only this. We don't want to do that long stress on like this. For now, let's stick it to be like this. Or we should edit the image. Edit it through WordPress. Page, click on edit image. Time to load. Hmm? You are using it on your local server. That's why load. Just a minute, please. Let me see what you have done. I had to start. No, I had to. I did anything. As well. Let's do this. It's even hang. It's in serve as even it's in serve. Let's use it like that. Or let's still change it. Like Let's go. Let me include. So yeah, camera. Sorry, new new. Uh, instead of us now designing this with this design here, similar with this design here. Abi, I think it will have helped you by now. For just would have been this page was designed with Elementor. These are this one. It's very easy. You just need to interface, and that's it. Then you're good to okay. Have you done the design? So that we do it from scratch instead of duplicating it. This page instead of we've already designed instead of designing it from scratch. Duplicated it and let me just drag it down. Let me change my margin button to 15. So in here it says iPhone 15. Yeah, Euphoria. Let me add it. New camera, new design, new Euphoria. Where are you now currently? The button. You have designed the button. No, it seems to be white. Let's change the background here. I think this is black. Margin top. Where are you currently now? Hmm? Is that okay? I'm waiting for you. See the way I'm just doing my own design, sharp, sharp. Let me publish and look at my design. But then, if you set it to be horizontal, it's going to align itself horizontally. It's going to go downward. So we set it to be row horizontal, which makes it horizontally. Then what we now did was that we now click on advance. When we click on advance, by default is full width. If it is like that. So what we did is we just set it to be custom, where we can adjust it only. Yeah. 1 hour something minutes. Yeah. Have you done it? Have you got it? Let me add this other image here. Hmm? Yes. Okay, this is your own. Yes. Okay, I know it on the side. You can change it now. Now, see now the other color. Okay, yeah. No, cancel. You can change it whatever color you want to change this. I was supposed to edit this image before I sent it to the site. Let me crop this image so that so yeah, so that it will be very easy for us. Because this looks image here. So we'll see what we are going to do safe. Yes, this is like this. Margin minus. We'll do something like this. Are you following me? Index to 0. How do I see that? They are done. Alright. Today is our last class, so we'll not be saying alright, we'll see you by 4. Like it gets to this thing around. Okay, we schedule a meeting. See, you could see it's in 13%. But make sure that your column direction, make sure that the column direction is horizontal. All the distance, the widgets inside the column will be yeah. So that's why you might let me just switch the design up. So the design might not be as perfect because the how I dubbed the video this thing. I dubbed I was supposed to do some touches on the video first. I'm sorry, I dubbed the pictures on the web pictures first before we design something similar. Sure. So let's go to so let's say it said here. Are you with me? iPad. Sorry. The unbelievable. Thoughts. Let me do a duplicate of the button. Let's change this.
How can you please consider navigation?
What you just need to do is you just need to go here. Now, you click on this side here. Let's add a little bit space here. So let's add a margin here. Margin, if you set a background, it doesn't space. Yes. Image here. So where are you now? Oh, it's full. Reduce the width. You see, me, my own website is already taking shape. I've done before sending you guys. I would have not just dumped the video out of this background so that it would have not shape. Who connected to our TV now? Wow. Our website is already taking shape now. So yeah, our website is already taking. Let's, let's make it 60. So where are you now? Copy this in. Let me add this image. Yeah, this image. So how far?
Yes. Sorry.
What happened? Okay. What the- Let me add this fine girl. Somebody's cracking their brain here. Please, messing. You can't leave us. Okay, I'm writing an exam. It's not an exam. We are building together. So, how far? Mhm. I wanted to see. Okay, I'm coming. So yeah, basically our website is now beginning to take shape like the Apple website. So let me add this image here. Let me add, I think this is an image. Ashiko. No, 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 no. Let me duplicate. Let me see where you are. Just another second section. Ah, nice one, nice one. What mistake is that? If you have any problem, since you didn't watch that first tutorial, tell me so that I'll help you out. This yeah. So in here it said, well, we'll just be designing only this section because it's gonna take your time here. Worldwide verse conference join online June 14. So yeah, let's add this here. Let's reduce the size. Let's arrange it proper. Syntax it. Then we can press the enter key. Let's copy a button. Paste it here. Okay. We'll arrange it to full width. And then add space reject. Let's make it 10. So where are you now? I think that where are you? Then those this student college because say we want to design this whole thing. So, uh-huh. side here, student college. Um, let's go this here. So it says reduce the image first. My we add the text. Copy this button. Add. Let's minus it. Our website has already and it looks nice. You just please refer it. See the shape. Mhm. These are images all that will remove all the background for us. Let me just send you one stream. We just designed the site cloning of the Apple website. Now the that it's not for this our class. So I'm sorry about if you have any issue or group, I'll be all ears to you. And so and God bless you. Um, but I'll be all ears to hear any issues you have. Yeah.